Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to make your Wells Fargo credit card payment in 2025. With all the tech advancements, paying your bills has never been easier or more secure. Whether you're a tech-savvy millennial or someone who prefers the old-school way, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in. First off, the most convenient method is online through the Wells Fargo website. Start by heading to wellsfargo.com and logging into your account with your username and password. Once you're in, navigate to the Payments section. Here, you'll see your credit card balance. Enter the amount you want to pay, select your bank account or funding source, and hit Submit. It's that straightforward. Remember, in 2025, you'll also have enhanced biometric security like facial recognition to keep your info safe. If you prefer mobile, download the Wells Fargo app from your App Store. It's updated with AI features for 2025. Open the app, log in, and go to the Credit Card tab. Tap on Make a Payment, choose your payment method, and confirm. The app even sends reminders and suggests autopay to avoid late fees. Pro tip: set up autopay if you're always on the go. It deducts the minimum payment automatically each month. For those who aren't into digital, you can still pay by phone. Call the Wells Fargo customer service number on your statement, follow the prompts, and make a payment over the phone with a representative's help. Or, go old school with a mailed check. Just use the envelope provided with your bill and send it to the address listed. One key thing to watch out for: always pay by the due date to avoid interest charges. In 2025, Wells Fargo might have new features like voice-activated payments through smart devices, so keep an eye on updates. There you have it. Making your Wells Fargo credit card payment is a breeze. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay smart with your money, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.